Our joints are enfolded in synovial fluid that decreases the friction between the cartilage and the other tissues. And it lubricates and offers support while the joints are moving. Knowing this, drinking water improves the synthesis of synovial fluid and promotes the lubrication. Taking 2 liters of water daily will suffice to cover the needs of the whole body. Onions, leeks and garlic. The above-mentioned vegetables and the others that are alike are abundant in sulfur, which is a mineral that is important for the formation of the collagen and other elements that make up the bones, ligaments, tendons and cartilage. Asparagus and cabbage are also very rich in this amazing substance. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, and its effects on health is the subject of much research. A 2008 study in Maryland showed that green tea induced changes in arthritis-related immune responses. Long-term use of NSAIDs can have adverse effects and cause discomfort. The polyphenolic compounds from green tea possess anti-inflammatory properties and have been shown to be an effective complement to nutritional therapy. Fish. Sardines, mackerel, tuna and salmons have omega-3 fatty acids that contain some powerful anti-inflammatory properties that impede the synthesis of inflammatory mediations. Omega-3 acids are also protecting the cell membrane from different effects of the oxidative processes that take place during exercise. Camu camu. You probably have never heard of this one. Camu camu is a fine powder derived from an Amazonian fruit of the same name. It has impressive antioxidant properties and can be a great anti-inflammatory. It's also rich in vitamin C. While it may seem difficult to get in all of these foods, spices and supplements, remember that you don't have to consume all of them every day. Maybe you have a kefir smoothie for breakfast one day, or salmon served with spinach sautéed in olive oil for dinner. For a snack, you might choose an apple, Brazil nuts or raspberries, along with a cup of green tea. Eating for joint health can be delicious, and it's good for your general health and well-being, too. Foods rich in vitamin C. Oranges, strawberries, kiwis, broccoli, parsley and tomatoes will hamper the inflammation in our bodies together with the omega-3. And this vitamin is also in charge of the synthesis and the maintenance of cartilage and collagen in our joints. Meats and derivatives. These improve the function of our joints while supplying the necessary amino acids for synthesis of the cartilage and by decreasing the time needed for recovery of the lesions. The contained iron and zinc in them are also needed for the healing of injuries, but however, high ingesting of meat is not recommended. 2 to 3 servings of 100 grams of meat per week are sufficient. Additional tips. Eat foods abundant in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, and vitamin D. Always control your weight to avoid overweight and obesity.